So guys, welcome to my Photoshop tutorial once again. It's been a while in this channel, but promise we are back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to simply take out background from image in Photoshop. So as for me, I'm using Photoshop 2021. You might be using 2020 or 2019, but so let's go ahead and launch Photoshop and get started. Now, removing background from images can be very tedious sometimes because so many people don't know how to use the background remover tools. So now I have a photo here already that I downloaded from Google, and I'm going to be using this photo because this photo has this lady here has a very long hair. So I'm going to use the opportunity to also show you how to remove the background from the hair. Now, to get started, once you open your photos, once you open your photo like this, once you load it on in Photoshop, you just have to come to select, click select and mask. Then you are going to get this view. So when you get this view, you see that the transparency is on 50%. Yes, you can leave it like that on 50%. And once you see, then make sure that these settings here, where they say show edge, show original, and then high quality preview, make sure it's on high quality preview. The radius should be on 0. Do not check this smart radius, and then that is that for now. So now after selecting it, you have to click on select subject. Let's allow it to load. Once you click on select object, this is called artificial intelligence. You will see that Photoshop will automatically remove the background from the image. That is all. Simple. So you don't have problem here. So when you are done removing the background, you now have to come down here. You have to come down here. Now the edges, you have to smoothen the edges because definitely you have to zoom it to smoothen the edges. You can see that the edge of the picture is very rough. So you have to increase the smoothness a little bit, leave the feather. Now increase the contrast a little bit so that the edge will be a bit sharp. This feather, you don't need to increase it because if you increase it, it's going to be blurring the edge of the photo. So when you are done doing that, you now come down here, click on this output and make sure it's on layer mask so that we can work on the hair. If it's not on layer mask, you won't be able to work on the hair. So right now we are going to be working on the hair. Now you click on OK. When you are done clicking OK, you can zoom out to see the preview. So to zoom in and zoom out, you press Ctrl minus or Ctrl plus. Ctrl plus will bring it out, and Ctrl minus will take it back in. All right. So when you are done doing that, now there is another option here you need to use to work on the hair. But if it's hidden, I think in this case, okay, make sure you click on this layer mask here. You understand? Make sure this white box is on is selected around this layer mask here. So when you're done doing that, I think let me shift this. When you're done doing that, you just have to scroll down here. Scroll down here and click on select and mask again. When you click on select and mask, you now have to scroll back up. Go back up. Select this preview here. Put it on black. Good. Once you put it on black, you will see that the places you have issues on the hair will show up immediately. So when they show up like that, all you need to do is just come here, click on this eraser tool here, make sure it's on plus. Then you can reduce the size of the brush depending on the kind of photo you are working on. Then make sure the hardness is 100%. And when you're done doing that, so in this case, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to increase my brush a little bit. Then you start to clean. You start to clean. As you can see, the rough part of the hair, they are disappearing. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be rushing it, but please, when you are doing your own, make sure you do it take your time to do it so that you can get a better result. So I'm gonna be doing it all this way. Now as you can see, the more I'm doing it, you can see that some part of the hair that was shining, they are disappearing. So once you are done cleaning the background from the hair like this, all you need to do is to select this brush here again and now brush back the part of the hair that you know they're supposed to be shining Yes, you brush them back. You understand? You brush them back. All right. So when you are done doing that, you will now have to come down here to your option again. You come down here again and select decontaminate colors. Please don't forget, select decontaminate color. Once you select it, you will see that everything is gone, like it's perfect now. Though it's not that perfect, but please, when you are doing your own, take your time. I don't want this tutorial to be boring. Then when you are done, you now click OK. And here we go. So you can see that we have a perfect result here. So to preview it more, you select this option here, down here, and choose a solid color. Once you choose solid color, let's say you can place it on white background or any background of your choice. Then click OK. Now, on the layer panel here, you just have to drag this solid color down here. Boom. And this is it. So you can see that I have changed the background of the image. If I want to take out, let me hide the background so that I will see it. You can see the image is alone. So in this case, I can carry the picture up and down and place it in any background, or if I want to make flyer, I can just simply go and place it there. As simple as that. So if you have any question, don't forget to ask me on the comment section, and I will gladly answer your question. So stay connected, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video, and also stay connected for the next tutorial, because I'm going to be teaching you guys so many tricks on Photoshop. Thank you.